So I put Cricut transfer tape on top of this Dollar Tree vinyl. And I don't think that was a smart idea because the Cricut transfer tape is pretty sticky. And the Dollar Tree vinyl is really thin. So no matter what I do, it just sticks. It's not coming off. So if you do use Dollar Tree vinyl, make sure to use Dollar Tree transfer tape. That was my mistake. Or else if you use Cricut transfer tape, try to use a thicker vinyl. Ended up layering this, but it just pretty much made a sticker because it will not come off this transfer paper. The worst part is the residue that's left over from the Dollar Tree backing. It's different. This is Cricut's backing, so when you put it on this mat, which is kind of sticky, it peels up pretty quickly. Let me put it on this side. I cannot use Dollar Tree vinyl on a Cricut board. I cannot use Dollar Tree vinyl with Cricut transfer paper. So you either do all Dollar Tree or all Cricut or quality products of other brands.